Welcome back to Vlogmas. I hope you guys have been enjoying them so far. I've been having a lot of fun filming them. So today this morning I woke up at literally 4 a.m. and I couldn't go back to bed because I fell asleep feeling really kind of like on the verge of getting sick, and my throat was like really sore. So I woke up and I went downstairs and got some tea, and I've just been I've been on my computer, which this was not a good idea to be woken up at 4 a.m. on Cyber Monday, because I've been doing some damage on my computer and my bank account hates me right now. I just couldn't help myself because I couldn't fall asleep, and I was like, let me just see what deals are on Cyber Monday. And I ended up getting stuff from Urban Outfitters, Victoria's Secret, which I had a gift card, so I didn't actually spend money there, but they were having a great sale. It was like 40% off of everything. I also got some hair dye. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. I got a pastel pink and a pastel purple. I also ordered some Doc Martens, which I'm really excited about. They were also just having a great deal. I can pass stuff up, but I just feel like Cyber Monday, it's just hard to. Anyways, I am about to go head into the shower because today's a really exciting day. I'm actually going to Chicago with my mom and my two sisters. So we're gonna go dress shopping with my sister who just got engaged. Her name is Hannah. You guys probably know her by now. So we're gonna go dress shopping and I'm really excited. It'll be so much fun. I love wedding dresses and like, they're so nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go and take a shower and get ready, and I will see you guys soon. This is my favorite song. Shout out to Carrie. Weeks went by, spring. You can be in it too. Summer faded into fall. Girls bought some land. Okay, this is not like working out. We are en route.
Almost there.
En route. Is it en route or en route?
Comment below.
Comment below. I was just gonna say that.
We're just country bumpkins.
What? How pretty. Oh, bumpkins. I thought you said pumpkins. We're making our way downtown, walking fast, pace is fast and homebound. But yeah, my mom is a true Midwestern gal because this is her winter coat. Do you guys see this? This is the lining for a coat. She took off the actual coat and just kept the lining, so.
There's no snow.
There's no snow. It's a pretty mild day, honestly, but still. I'm wearing my wool coat that I found with my mom at the thrift store. Video coming soon. Actually, the video might be up. It's actually on my main channel. Okay, this is Beholden. So many pretty dresses. Oh my gosh, that middle one.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
Oh my gosh. Let's go inside. I don't know if they're gonna accept cameras, but we'll be careful. Why did you go the same? Extra 50% off. These are Black Friday deals. All right, Hannah, what was your thoughts?
It's fine.
Did you say yes to the dress?
Not yet, but I think I've got a very good contender.
Now we're going to one of my favorite places that I haven't been in so long. Wait, have you been before?
Never been, no.
It's called Velvet Taco, and they have really like premium tacos. I'm excited. Velvet Taco. Ah! Okay, I got the chicken and waffles, the buffalo chicken and tikka chicken, and we got some sides. Look at that. That has tater tots on the bottom, some elote, some queso, red curry queso. We're eating large. What's up, guys? We're in the middle of Chicago, and I wanted to do a cute little outfit today because why not? I got this hat from the rummage sale in LA when Hannah came to visit, and then I also got this from a thrift store. The shirt is actually from Jessica. She just gave it to me, so I love it. And that's my look. Let's go.
Let's go.
I almost ran into the garbage. Those tacos were bomb. Especially the waffle one was like very sweet and unexpected, but it was so good. So definitely recommend the taco. So we finished up in Chicago, unfortunately. It's only like 2 o'clock, but we have to get to Hannah's next reservation to try on dresses in Schaumburg. So we have to leave the city, which I'm really sad because it's actually such a nice day out. It's not like super cold, it's not snowing. Yeah, it's been great. We're gonna go to another shop. At the second place, and we're all gonna pull one dress that we think she will like. So I'm on the hunt to find a dress that she might like. That'd be cool if she picked the one that I picked out, but honestly I think she's gonna go with the one at Beholden. She still has time to order that one, and plus it's 50% off at Beholden, so I feel like she's gonna go with that. But let's just look what they have. Oh, that one's actually really pretty. I chose this one. Let's see if she likes it. Good morning, guys. So I totally forgot, well, I didn't even forget to end off my vlog. I just was so tired when I got home from dress shopping, and I wasn't even the one trying on the dresses, and I was exhausted. But I think it was because I literally woke up at 4 a.m. that morning, and I was just so tired and drained. I was sleeping in the car. Hannah took over driving, and I just crashed. And then when I got inside, I just like went right to bed. I was so tired. But I wanted to end off this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go to Chicago and help my sister try on dresses. Well, I didn't help her, I just put my input in. But I did want to report and say that she did find the dress. She found it at the first place at Beholden. That place is so cute. If you guys ever are in need of a wedding dress, definitely go there. But yeah, it was a really fun day. I really want to go back to the city next time I come to visit, because I always forget how much I do like it. For a long time I didn't like it, but I really enjoy Chicago, so I'll definitely be back during Vlogmas, hopefully. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.